Hello everyone who is listening to me. Today we are going to see the 5 strategies to speak English very, very fluently and very perfect. If you want to be perfect in English, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. We will be together in every step. Number 1 strategy, speak every day. So please speak, even if it is 5 minutes only. 5 minutes are enough. The way you can speak every day, number 1, you can talk to yourself in your mind when you are working or doing anything. Number 2, you can describe your day. You can describe your day when you are talking in your mind, when you are talking to yourself. You can describe your day for yourself. How was your day? What you did? Where you went? Like that. Another one, you can practice out loud. You speak loudly. The voice is out. So also it can help you with your pronunciation and to become very good in speaking. Number 2, listen and repeat. It will help you also in your pronunciation. Sometimes you can listen videos from YouTube and you repeat what those people are saying. Another one, you can listen to the podcast. So when you listen and also you try to repeat what you listen, also it will help you so much, I promise. And also it will help with your pronunciation and your listening skills. Number 2, movies. You can listen what people are talking in a movie which you are watching. Then after that, you can repeat their words. It will help your pronunciation to become very, very good. Number 3, learn sentences. You can learn simple sentence, which you see from a movie or anywhere, especially the words like how, what, where, or when. You learn the sentences using those words. It will make you to know how to make a good sentence and a sentence which are very common. Number 4, practice with people. Don't fear to do mistake. Many people, they do bad thing of fearing mistake. Please don't fear mistake. So you can talk with your friends who know English. You can talk online chat to chat with people who know English, or in English group, like maybe you have a group where people speak English. You try to chat with them in English. It will help your English to become very, very good. The last strategy, record yourself. Hear what you have recorded and correct the mistakes. So you can record yourself. After you record yourself, you listen to your record. After you listen, then you correct yourself and improve your speaking. I promise you, if you do like this, if you follow these 5 strategies, your English will become very, very perfect in little time, in a very, very small time. So this channel, we are going to be improving our English in speaking, writing, listening, and reading. So please subscribe.